QuickBooks Online 2021 free trial. We will learn about how to set up QuickBooks Online 30 days free trial, step by step by Kevin. QuickBooks Online QBO does not require any installation of the program. With an internet connection anywhere in the world, users can connect and work at the company's leisure, paying a monthly fee. It can also be used on the phone, iPad, or tablet with a SIM card with internet. QBO is convenient to use in multiple branches or on business trips. Only one company book can be managed per account. If you need to manage 3 different companies, you will have to pay a monthly fee for using 3 accounts. If you want to use QuickBooks Online for more than 30 days, you must change to paid subscription. Intuit offers a paid plan with 50% discount for the first 3 months subscription. First, you connect to the quickbooks.intuit.com/pricing. Once you are in this window, click the right side of the green area. Green color will turn black and free trial for 30 days is selected. When the button color turns black, the price of Plus changes to $70 per month. Click Try It Free button just on the $70. This $70 will change to free. QuickBooks free trial does not require your credit card information. On next window, click Continue without payroll. You may click any Add to Trial of payroll plans if you wish to try the payroll program also. In a new window, click Checkout. After you click Checkout, a new account open window will be opened. No credit card information asked. To create a new account, you need to fill in your email address, phone number, and password. Once you click Sign up with email, you get a new Intuit account. To start QuickBooks Online free or paid service, always use this registered email and password to access http://qbo.intuit.com. In most cases, you will be directed to the next screen after your registration. All questions should be answered to open a new company file. The address is used to set up sales tax. It is not necessary that the answers are very accurate. When asked which area of business to include in accounting, click All except Pay Your Employee. If you plan to use payroll services, click All. After click All Set. What's your role at your business? You may click Owner. Do you have an accountant or bookkeeper right now? So you can say yes. What kind of business is this? For study purpose, we will start partnership. If you are not sure, ask your CPA or attorney, or choose I'm not sure. This selection does not interfere with QuickBooks Online use at all. How does your business make money? You can say, I sell products. It means you can sell products and services. When you have finished answering the last question and clicked Next, the QuickBooks Online dashboard opens. You see QuickBooks Online dashboard. Start to use QuickBooks Online. To sign out, click the initial or logo and sign out. To use QuickBooks Online next time, connect to QBO.intuit.com. The free 30-day trial can be used only once per each mail. The QuickBooks Online book is ready to use. From now on, you can use your accounting books from anywhere in the world as long as you have a computer with internet connection. You can use also QuickBooks Online on your phone or iPad or tablet with a SIM card. QuickBooks Online paid subscription. If you sign up for a paid subscription from the start, you will receive a 50% discount for the first 3 months. After accessing QuickBooks.intuit.com/pricing, just leave the green screen as is and follow the same steps as for free registration. You can switch to a paid subscription from a free trial in menu Settings, Account and Settings, Billing and Subscription. Thank you for watching. If this was helpful, please like and subscribe. Step by step, Kevin from LA. Thank you.